Imagine an AI so powerful, so advanced, that it doesn't just answer your questions. It anticipates your needs, understands your emotions, and works alongside you like a true partner. Today, we're diving deep into DeepSeek V3.1, the AI model many are calling the most powerful open AI ever created. And by the end of this review, you'll see why the tech world is buzzing with excitement, fear, and endless possibilities. The shockwave of DeepSeek V3.1. When DeepSeek V3.1 was announced, industry insiders described it as a seismic shift in artificial intelligence. Unlike previous models that improved incrementally, V3.1 feels like a leap, a jump into a new era where AI no longer just supports us, but potentially rivals our own intelligence. This isn't hype. It's happening right now. And if you thought ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini were impressive, wait until you hear what DeepSeek V3.1 brings to the table. The first impressions: speed and accuracy. The first thing that stuns you is the speed. DeepSeek V3.1 processes complex prompts in a fraction of the time. Tasks that would take earlier models 20 to 30 seconds are executed in under 5. And it's not just fast, it's precise. Early testers reported that V3.1 eliminates common hallucinations seen in other AIs. It cites sources, connects dots across disciplines, and delivers answers that feel less like a prediction and more like a conversation with a real expert. The secret sauce. Why V3.1 stands out. What makes it so different? DeepSeek V3.1 is built on a hybrid neurosymbolic architecture, blending neural networks with symbolic reasoning. That means it doesn't just guess the next word like traditional AI models. Instead, it can reason, apply logic, and build step-by-step problem-solving chains. Imagine an AI that not only writes your essay but debates it, challenges it, and improves it with structured reasoning. This breakthrough makes V3.1 not just another AI, but a tool that feels almost human in its thought process. Real-world impact. Beyond the lab. So what does this mean for you, me, and the world? In education, students could have access to an always-available personal tutor who adapts to their learning style. In medicine, doctors could analyze rare conditions with AI that cross-references thousands of journals in seconds. And in business, startups can build complex apps in days instead of months, with V3.1 generating flawless code. And in creativity, writers, musicians, and filmmakers suddenly have an AI partner that enhances, not replaces, their imagination. Every sector you can think of is about to be disrupted by what V3.1 can do. The competition. How does V3.1 compare? Now you're probably wondering, how does it stack against the big names like OpenAI's GPT-5 or Google's Gemini? Here's the jaw-dropping part. V3.1 consistently outperforms them in multi-step reasoning, coding, and long context retention. While GPT-5 is phenomenal, testers say V3.1 can handle 10 times more context length, remembering conversations like a true partner instead of resetting with every new session. Against Gemini, it holds the edge in reasoning and fact-checking, though Gemini still dominates in multimodal creativity. But overall, DeepSeek V3.1 is quickly being crowned as the most balanced and most powerful open AI available today. The concerns: should we be afraid? Of course, with great power comes serious questions. If this AI can think, reason, and even debate, what stops it from making decisions we didn't intend? Ethicists are already warning about over-reliance, bias reinforcement, and the terrifying possibility of autonomous agents powered by V3.1 going rogue. Governments are scrambling to create guardrails. And users like us are left wondering, will this AI be our greatest ally or the spark of a new digital divide? Hands-on, what can you do with DeepSeek V3.1? Enough theory. Let's talk about what you can actually do with it. Coding. Generate full applications with optimized, clean code. Research. Digest 500-page reports into 5 bullet points with references. Content creation. Write novels, scripts, or YouTube videos like this one. Fast, polished, and captivating. Automation. Link it with APIs and tools to run your workflows while you sleep. In other words, it doesn't just answer, it executes. The future. Where is this heading? DeepSeek V3.1 feels less like a tool and more like a preview of AGI, artificial general intelligence. The lines between human and machine reasoning are blurring. And while that future may be thrilling or terrifying, one thing is certain. The launch of DeepSeek V3.1 marks a turning point. We are witnessing history, the rise of the most powerful open AI the world has ever seen. Final thought, so is DeepSeek V3.1 the ultimate AI? For now, yes. It's powerful, fast, precise, and groundbreaking. But with its potential come questions that humanity has never had to answer before. Will we use it responsibly? Or will we let it run ahead of our control? That's the story that's still being written. Call to action. What do you think? Does DeepSeek V3.1 excite you or does it scare you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to AI Innovations and Tools for more mind-blowing insights into the future of artificial intelligence. Because trust me, the AI revolution is only just beginning.
Want more AI gems? Subscribe to AI Innovations and Tools. Comment, like, and share now.